Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Versatile, flavorful and easy to make, this Goan traditional recipe is made with French beans and very little spices. The addition of freshly grated coconut creates a delightful blend of textures and tastes. It can be enjoyed as a main course with chapati, bread or roti, or served as a delicious side dish to complement another main dish. Our detailed step-by-step recipe for today is delicious French beans fougatte. Step 1. Preparing the French beans. Take around 250 grams or quarter kg of tender French beans. Wash and clean the French beans nicely before cutting them. Cut the edges of the French beans and remove the strings on the sides if present.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cut them diagonally into thin pieces like I have shown. Cut all the French beans in this way. French beans are ready. Step 2. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 1 medium-sized onion, take 5 medium-sized garlic cloves, take 2 green chilies, or you can also use 3 small dried red button chilies. Cut the onions and garlic fine. Cut the chilies into half and then slit them. You will also need 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the French bean fougatte. On medium heat, in an open, thick-bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds and stir. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the cumin or jeera seeds and stir. Once the seeds start spluttering, add the finely cut onion. Stir everything properly. After some time, add the cut pieces of garlic and green chilies. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the turmeric or haldi powder and stir. After some time, add the cut French beans and stir. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
We will use a special technique to cook this vegetable. We will cover the pan with a flat lid and place water on the lid. We will then reduce the heat to low. This will cook the vegetables slowly without the need to add water. The vegetables will cook nicely but will also have a slight crunch. It will not have a boiled feel like when you cook it with water, and it will definitely taste much better this way. Cover and cook for at least 6 to 8 minutes. The water in the plate will start to bubble and reduce. After 5 minutes, open the lid carefully and check to see if the vegetable is getting stuck to the bottom. If it is getting stuck, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Stir everything. Do not overcook the French beans. Cook the French beans until they are slightly crunchy. Since we are cooking on low heat, the French beans may take a total time of around 10 to 12 minutes to cook. Check frequently to avoid sticking or burning to the bottom or sides of the pan. Check for salt and add if required. Cover the lid and cook for some more time.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once the French beans are cooked, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Mix everything nicely and turn off the heat.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
You can serve it hot with rice and curry or enjoy it with bread, chapati or roti. Delicious Goan French bean fogat is ready. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Do write a comment to let us know your feedback on this recipe, and please press that like button if you love watching our detailed recipe videos.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.